Hey everyone, welcome back to SafeLane USA. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting and ambitious electric vehicles on the market, the 2026 Lucid Air Sapphire. Designed to push the boundaries of luxury, performance, and electric innovation, this car isn't just a competitor to Tesla or Porsche, it's a whole new level of EV excellence. From jaw-dropping acceleration to a first-class interior, the Lucid Air Sapphire represents the pinnacle of what a luxury electric sedan can be. Let's start with the exterior. The 2026 Lucid Air Sapphire builds on the elegant foundation of the standard Air model, but adds subtle, aggressive styling cues that hint at its supercar performance. The silhouette remains sleek and aerodynamic, with a low drag coefficient that aids efficiency and range. Unique sapphire badging, darker trim elements, and a more sculpted rear diffuser set it apart visually. The front fascia features a clean, futuristic design with a continuous light bar and a minimalist grille that blends seamlessly into the body. Its 21-inch wheels are wrapped in high-performance Michelin Pilot Sport tires, giving it an aggressive stance while enhancing grip. Every line and detail of the Air Sapphire has been tuned for both style and function. Inside, the Lucid Air Sapphire is nothing short of stunning. Step into the cabin, and you're greeted by a world of ultra-premium materials, advanced tech, and spacious design. The interior is a blend of luxury and performance, with sport seats that offer both comfort and lateral support. The color palette is exclusive to the Sapphire model, with deep blue accents, contrast stitching, and carbon fiber trim. In front of the driver sits a curved 34-inch glass cockpit display that stretches from behind the steering wheel to the center console, providing access to navigation, entertainment, and vehicle data. The floating center touchscreen handles climate and seat controls, while voice commands and over-the-air updates keep the system future-ready. Rear passengers are not left behind either. Thanks to the extended wheelbase and flat floor, there's ample legroom and headroom. The cabin is whispered quiet, even at high speeds, thanks to dual-pane glass and sound-deadening materials. Whether you're driving or being driven, the Lucid Air Sapphire offers a true luxury experience. Now, let's get into performance, and this is where things get wild. The 2026 Air Sapphire features a 3-motor all-wheel drive system producing over 1,200 horsepower. This allows the car to rocket from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 2 seconds, making it one of the fastest production sedans ever made. It can also complete a quarter mile in less than 9 seconds, rivaling hypercar, but it's not just about straight-line speed. Lucid has engineered a sophisticated torque vectoring system, active suspension, and performance brakes to ensure this EV handles corners with precision. Whether on a twisty road or a racetrack, the Air Sapphire remains composed, agile, and incredibly fast. Despite all this power, the Lucid Air Sapphire doesn't sacrifice efficiency. It still offers an estimated range of over 400 miles on a single charge, thanks to its advanced 113 kilowatt-hours battery pack and aerodynamic design. Fast charging via Lucid's DC fast chargers gets you up to 200 miles of range in about 12 minutes, making long-distance travel practical. As for pricing, the 2026 Lucid Air Sapphire comes in at around $250,000. It's a serious investment, but considering the performance, craftsmanship, and exclusivity, it's a compelling choice for those seeking the ultimate electric luxury sedan. Thanks for tuning in to SafeLane USA. If the Lucid Air Sapphire blew your mind like it did ours, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and let us know in the comments when you choose this over a Tesla Model S Plaid or Porsche Taycan Turbo S. See you in the next review. Hey everyone, welcome back to SafeLane USA.